Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete sections from your audio file in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select one of your videos from your gallery in order to edit it. I'm going to use this one, and now you can see that I already have an audio file, and in order to delete sections from it I have to split it first. I have to select the exact moment where I want to split it, for example here, and you have to click on the split icon on the bottom of the screen, and now you can see that I have two separate sections of audio, and if I want to delete one of these two parts I have to select it by clicking on it, and I have to click on the delete icon on the bottom of the screen, and now you can see that I have only this part of the audio. So this is how you can delete the audio or sections from your audio file in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.